Stop designing static mockups and start building interactive React apps directly from your Figma designs. First, open your design in Figma and navigate to the Plugins menu. Search for and install a reliable Figma to React Converter plugin. There are several options, so explore and pick one that suits your needs by considering features such as component support and code customization. Once installed, activate the plugin within your Figma project. The plugin will then analyze your design, identifying elements like buttons, text fields, and images that can be translated into React components. Review the generated React code, focusing on the component structure, and CSS styling. The plugin usually provides a preview of the generated code, offering a chance to make edits or adjustments directly within the plugin before exporting. Now, export the converted code as a React project. This will typically give you a zip file containing all the necessary component files and assets. Unzip the downloaded file and open the project in your code editor of choice, such as VS Code. Finally, run the project using the command line to view your Figma design now running as a functional React application.